St. Michael's Academy. Students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 9, Sequence and Series. First of all, we will discuss about sequence. What is actually sequence? Sequence. A sequence means an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. Sequence का मतलब arrangement of numbers in definite order according to some rule. कुछ रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग जब हम नंबर्स को एक डेफिनिट ऑर्डर में अरेंज करते हैं तो वो एक सीक्वेंस कहलाता है. जैसा कि फॉर एग्जांपल हम सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवन नंबर्स को देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवन नंबर्स 0 2 4 6 8 dot 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 12. Friends, these numbers are 0 2 4 6 8 are numbers and these numbers are arranged in definite order according to some rules. And what is that rule? That rule is even numbers, means all numbers are even number. It means that difference between two consecutive numbers are 2. Difference between two consecutive numbers are 2. Students, the various numbers occurring in a sequence are called its terms. Like this is a sequence of even numbers and there are so many numbers and these numbers are called its terms. Like this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. We denote the terms of a sequence by A1, A2, A3 dot dot. So according to this sequence, A1 is 0, A2 is 2, A3 is 4. Here A1 means first term of the sequence is 0, second term A2 means second term of the sequence is 2 and A3 means third term of the sequence is 4. Students, nth term is the number at the nth position of the sequence and is denoted by an. So, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot, this is a sequence of even numbers, and now we have to find nth term of this sequence. So, nth term is the number at the nth position. Suppose I want to know fourth term of this sequence. Fourth term of this sequence means number at the fourth position. This is first, second, third and fourth. This is fourth position. It means that this is A4 equals to 6. Means nth term means fourth term of the sequence is 6. The nth term is also called the general term of the sequence. So nth term, which is called general term of the sequence, by following nth term we can generate whole sequence. So nth term of this sequence of even number is 2n. Nth term of this sequence is 2n. And this is called general term of this sequence. Nth term is 2n. And by putting n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we can find this sequence. When we will put n equals to 0 into n, we will get first term 0. When we will put n equals to 1, when we will put n equals to 1, we will get the second term 2 into 1 equals to 2. So nth term is called general term of the sequence, and by the help of that general term we can find given sequence. Suppose general term is nth term is 12. So how we can find the terms of the sequence? So by putting n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this general term, we will find this sequence. Now students, we will discuss about series. Students, series, let a1, a2, a3 dot dot an be a given sequence, then the expression a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus dot dot is called the series associated with the given sequence. Students, series is formed with the help of the terms of sequence. When we combine the terms of sequence together, then we get a series. Like this is a sequence of numbers, and when we combine these terms of sequence, we get a series. Like a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus dot dot dot, this becomes a series. So this series is associated with this sequence. सीरीज जो होता है सीक्वेंस से ही बना होता है. सीक्वेंस के टर्म्स को जब हम कंबाइन कर देते हैं, जब सबको ऐड कर देते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ एडिशन फॉर्म में ला देते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या बन जाता है? एक सीरीज बन जाता है. सीरीज दो तरह का होता है. सीरीज is finite or infinite according as the given sequence is finite or infinite. Students, since we know series is formed as series is associated with sequence, so if the sequence is finite, then series is finite, and if the sequence is infinite, then the series is also infinite. Students, sequence are of two types, finite and infinite. So let us discuss finite sequence. Finite sequence means sequence containing finite number of terms is called a finite sequence. वैसा sequence जिसमें finite number of terms हो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? finite sequence कहते हैं. और वैसा sequence जिसमें finite number of terms नहीं हो, it means that infinite number of terms हो, उसे हम infinite series कहते हैं. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. In this sequence, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 terms are there. This is a finite sequence. Why? Because there are finite number of terms. And now we have discussed that a sequence containing finite number of terms is called a finite sequence. So this sequence is a finite sequence because in this sequence finite number of terms are there. How many terms are there in this sequence? Only 5 terms are there in this sequence. So this is a finite sequence. Finite sequence. Now we can make this sequence a series. By the help of the terms of this sequence, we can make a series like 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. And this is a finite series. दिए गए फाइनाइट सीक्वेंस के टर्म्स को कंबाइन करके हम फाइनाइट सीरीज बना सकते हैं. जैसे कि हमने ये फाइनाइट सीरीज बना लिया है, ये हुआ हमारा फाइनाइट सीरीज. फाइनाइट सीरीज. नाउ also we can make infinite series with the help of infinite number of terms of an infinite sequence. Now, example of infinite sequence. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sequence of natural numbers. Sequence of natural numbers. So this is infinite series. Infinite sequence. This is an infinite sequence because this is a sequence of natural numbers. And since we know natural numbers are infinite, so in the sequence of natural numbers there are infinite number of terms. Infinite number of terms means we cannot count the terms of this sequence. And we can make infinite series with the help of the terms of this sequence. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus dot 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 dot. This is an infinite series. Infinite series. Because there are infinite number of terms in this series. I hope students you are understanding. If there will be any doubt, any question, you can ask in comment box. Thanks.